I'm Wing Commander Carl Newman from AMTDU, the Commanding Officer of these. AMTDU is the Air Movements Training and Development Unit. We train all of the cargo and passenger handlers within Air Force and the air logistics folks within Army. And a big piece of our mission is to do all the load design and certification to ensure that we can safely carry a load within the ADF aircraft.
Can you tell us what we're at here at Londonderry doing today, what we've seen and what AMTDU has done?
The activity at Londonderry today was all about certifying the load behind me, the John Deere 450 Bulldozer for airdrop out of C-130. And we'll also certify that load for airdrop under C-17. Done a series of drops today and a lot of engineering and workup that's gone into what has been a successful trial and would ultimately certify this load to be delivered anywhere in the world.
Can you tell us a little bit about the practical applications of what we've done today?
In terms of certifying the load, what it will really mean is Army will have the ability to be able to take in a key engineering piece of equipment to anywhere that they need it, even when landing zones, runways are denied for use. So a humanitarian disaster may impact a runway or an adversary may decide to do something to a runway that prevents us from landing on it, and we'll be able to airdrop this equipment from overhead and allow Army to clear that point of entry to allow forces to follow in and do the job that it's required to do.
Can you tell us the significance of this drop for the C-130H?
The C-130H is being phased out of service by the end of this year, so this drop today was the last heavy airdrop that the C-130H will do before it's retired from 30 odd years of really valuable service to the ADF. Pretty significant, pretty poignant moment for a lot of us that have been associated with the C-130H over its lifetime.
Can you tell us a little bit about what your connection with the C-130H is?
I started flying C-130Hs back in 1991, and I've flown about 6,000 hours to all around the world in a number of operations from East Timor through to disaster relief, evacuations of Australian citizens from Cambodia, and working with our Special Forces folk in Afghanistan and Iraq.
Thank you very much.